If you're an affiliate marketer, Rakuten Advertising is a name you've likely seen, but most people get this wrong. They think it's just another affiliate network when in reality, Rakuten Advertising offers a combination of reliability, high-quality merchant partnerships, and strong tracking tools that can really elevate your marketing business. Rakuten has been around for over 20 years and is considered one of the top affiliate networks. It connects publishers with major brands, including global companies like Walmart, Best Buy, and Macy's. The network is particularly known for stable payouts, transparent reporting, and a high level of merchant support. For example, their reporting dashboard allows you to track clicks, sales, and commissions in near real time, and their deep linking tools make it easy to create personalized links for your audience. Additionally, Rakuten provides promotional creatives and resources to help affiliates optimize campaigns. However, Rakuten has a stricter approval process than some other networks. Not every affiliate gets accepted immediately, and some programs require additional vetting. The platform also leans toward experienced affiliates. Beginners might find the interface slightly intimidating. In conclusion, Rakuten Advertising is a solid choice if you are serious about affiliate marketing and want access to reputable brands and reliable payments. It's not the easiest network for beginners, but for those committed to growing their affiliate business, it's highly effective. If this review helped you, subscribe for more honest affiliate marketing reviews and tips to boost your revenue.